Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Earlier today, I posted a video about 5 retail companies. They are like your JCPenney's, your Wayfair, your Victoria's Secrets that are hiring work from home customer service, and a lot of them have great benefits. So if you've not seen that video, please go check that out after this one. But I also wanted to bring a job lead today to those of you that are not really fond of customer service. I know not all of us want to be on the phone. Some of us want non-phone positions. And so that is what I am bringing you today. The company Conduent is hiring for data entry again. They are looking for a data entry associate. This is remote within the United States. I did not see any state restrictions listed. Now, it does say this is a part-time, flexible schedule, and they're paying $15 an hour. However, they don't state what the schedule is, but this might be a great one for you if you have a full-time job and you're looking to pick up some nights and weekends, some extra money. But they are looking for someone to receive, process, and ensure document classification are completed and transmitted to clients. It may require outbound correspondence from the client to be processed. You'll receive documents from both electronic and hard copy forms for processing. You'll sort images, documents, files, and archive them by form type. You'll identify documents and their purpose, creating a database of information. So you'll classify documents based on the contract requirements, and you'll capture information based on the client requirement. So you'll also have to verify data from extraction tools, and you'll have to comply with all policies and standards. But if that sounds like something that you are interested in, it does not look like they require any degree at all. They are looking for someone who can perform business support using data organization and coordination skills, someone who can follow procedures, someone who can work closely with established procedures and practices, ability to perform analytical and operational processes, has a basic skill in processes, procedures, and systems, and they are looking for somebody who can problem solve. All right, as always, if this position was not for you, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.